Hi, welcome back to Wallflowers. So today I've finally finished the shop bought courgettes and I'm able to start the garden ones. So I picked a couple of the courgettes out the garden and I've chopped them up to make a lasagna type meal. So I've taken photographs step by step of creating it. Basically it's just a lasagna dish without the pasta. So this is what the final dish looks like. Now I originally took a photograph and put a barn cake next to it, and on closer inspection the barn cake wasn't good enough, so it had gone past. So I'm just buttering a couple of more barn cakes. We get these ones from the local Polish shop and they're absolutely delicious. I particularly like them with a nice bit of bacon on. My husband likes the cheese spread instead of the butter when we have something like this, so that's what we're having. So, as I say, sorry for talking turning away then. I've done some photographs of the step by step, so I'm going to call it courgette lasagna. I've added meat to it, but you can just as easily do a vegan version. And I'm actually now going to upload the video, sit down and eat, and bon appetit everyone. Okay, thanks for joining me today and I'll see you soon. Bye.